ที่บาทจะเป็นที่
บาท
Clearly they have a lot of room. Why wouldn't they? I would give them double. That's a missed opportunity. Yeah, it's 300 bucks. Okay, next time, which is like last year.